Honorable President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Dr. President Dr. Masood Pezeshkian, Excellencies, Ministers, the members of delegation of Iran, Excellency Mr. Jam Kamal, Commerce Minister of Pakistan, business leaders, colleagues, cabinet colleagues, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. It is indeed a matter of great honor and pleasure to address this esteemed gathering at the Pakistan-Iran Business Forum. Today, we celebrate not only the deep-rooted ties between Pakistan and Islamic Republic of Iran, but also the immense potential that lies ahead in our economic and trade relations. The presence of His Excellency, the President of Iran, as chief guest of this event underscores the significance both nations attach to strengthening our partnership. Pakistan and Iran share centuries of historical and cultural, religious bonds. These ties form a strong foundation for expanding our economic collaboration. The Government of Pakistan attaches the highest importance to enhancing trade and investment with our Iranian brothers and sisters. Today, we take pride in further cementing this relationship by fostering greater economic cooperation. I view the Business Forum as a pivotal occasion to explore new avenues for growth and development of the two countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, I must appreciate the joint efforts made by the Ministry of Commerce, the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, and the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Mines of Iran in organizing this wonderful forum. Our bilateral trade had witnessed steady growth, but we recognize that it has not yet reached its full potential. To address this, Pakistan and Iran have agreed to sign free trade agreement, a landmark decision that will significantly enhance our trade relations. This agreement will reduce tariffs, eliminate trade barriers, and create a more conducive environment for businesses in both countries. It reflects our shared commitment to unlock new opportunities for our economic future as well as economies and people of the two nations. In our recent discussions, His Excellency the President of Iran and I have laid out a comprehensive roadmap under the guidance of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for economic and trade expansion. His Excellency was very kind that even before he embarked his journey for Islamabad from Tehran, he announced that his objective and goal is to increase the trade volume of the two countries to $10 billion. This has been reaffirmed today by both leaders, His Excellency the President of Iran and His Excellency the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We are committed to enhancing our trade relationship and partnership by promoting new avenues for collaboration, particularly in sectors such as energy, agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. I'm happy to share with you, Your Excellency, Mr. President, that just a couple of days ago, the chairpersons of two committees of the Senate of Pakistan, the chairperson, Ms. Anusha Rahman, who heads the Commerce Committee, Standing Committee in Senate, and Mr. Salim Manviwala, the chairperson of Finance Committee of Senate, they both invited the business community in Balochistan to hear them out. And chambers identified 38 items which can be definitely traded from our side to Iran. Obviously, there would be another big list can be from the Iran side, I took the opportunity to share with my brother, Excellency, the Foreign Minister of Iran, Mr. Abbas Araghchi last night. That list has been shared, and I'm sure that the two commerce ministers, as they are dedicated in taking this relationship forward, I think we can see the expansion and the dream and the goal of His Excellency, the President of Iran, and His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, materializing hopefully very soon, inshallah. We are committed to enhancing and taking all necessary steps to implement whatever decisions have been taken today in the bilateral dialogue meeting between the two sides, led by President of Iran, and on the Pakistan side, led by Prime Minister of Pakistan. We are also working closely to enhance cooperation in logistics and customs facilitation to ensure seamless trade activity. Iran and Pakistan are working together in ECO and SCO for economic cooperation. And in this regard, I and His Excellency, Foreign Minister of Iran, Brother Syed Abbas Araghchi, we remain connected more frequently than normally it happens in the diplomatic life. Ladies and gentlemen, with over 200 million inhabitants, Pakistan offers to the investors a strong and large consumer market with an ever-expanding middle class. A strategic location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia and West Asia, and close proximity to the Gulf countries makes Pakistan a promising regional hub and an important market for trade and investment. The Government of Pakistan is dedicated to creating an investor-friendly environment. We have undertaken comprehensive reforms aimed at streamlining business operations, improving the ease of doing business, and offering incentives to foreign investors. The Special Investment Facilitation Council has been established as a single point of contact to facilitate investors, ensuring their projects are implemented smoothly and efficiently. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan economy has demonstrated continued improvement in fiscal year 2025, building upon the stabilization achievement in fiscal year 2024. Inflation has substantially declined from 30% to almost 5%, and the policy rate has come down from 22% to 11%. So we see that the macroeconomic stability is there. Our entire focus now is the momentum, to create momentum for the growth, development and growth. Policy reforms, monetary easing and fiscal consolidation have further strengthened the foundation for sustainable economic momentum in Pakistan. The agriculture sector is growing, the industrial sector is showing gradual improvement, while the services sector is projected to continue its positive trajectory. Foreign direct investment surged by 20%, driven by investments in the power and oil sectors. With strengthening economic fundamentals, declining inflation, and growing investors' confidence, Pakistan is well positioned for continued growth and development. The government has also unveiled its homegrown 5-year economic transformation plan known as Udan Pakistan, which underscores inclusivity and a self-reliant approach to addressing economic challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward, I urge our business communities to seize the opportunities before they are occupied. The free trade agreement between Pakistan and Iran will open new doors for trade and investment, offering preferential access to each other's markets. This agreement will pave the way for increased trade volume, deeper commercial engagement, and enhanced collaboration in sectors such as IT, telecommunication, logistics, financial services, and tourism. Finally, I would like to congratulate all the participants organizers, and business leaders who have contributed to making this forum a success. Your commitment and enthusiasm reaffirm our shared vision and goal of a prosperous and mutually beneficial partnership and taking it to a new high level. I would like to express my deep gratitude to His Excellency, the President of Iran, His Excellency, my brother, Foreign Minister of Iran, and the members of the delegation, ministers from Iran, and my own colleagues for visiting Pakistan and for his unwavering support in strengthening our economic and trade relations. His leadership and vision have been instrumental in advancing our bilateral cooperation, and we look forward to continuing this journey of mutual prosperity. We also collaborate on the diplomatic side, we also collaborate on the political side. We remain actively engaged on all multilateral forums, be in United Nations, SCO, OIC, etc. Let us work together, leveraging our historic bonds and economic synergies to build a future that reflects the true potential of Pakistan-Iran relationship. I am confident that with our joint efforts, we will unlock new horizons of trade, investment, and industrial collaboration. I thank you. Long live Pakistan-Iran friendship. Pakistan-Iran friendship Zindabad.